Welcome back to Tools and Cars with Chris. Today we're going to be installing these Auxito LED switchbacks. I'm going to show y'all how we went from this to this, and how we went from this to this. This job is so easy. You can do it in less than 30 minutes if you know what you're doing. You only need 2 tools. All you're going to need is a pry tool and a 10mm drive. I got a flathead screwdriver that I put a little bit of electrical tape on so I don't scratch the paint on my car, and my N12 impact. Let's get started. First thing, we're going to use our pry tool. We're going to pop this little cover off. Then we're going to use our 10mm drive, and we're going to remove one bolt from under the light here. Then what you're going to want to do, once you got your bolt removed, is grab the inside of the light and pry it out and pivot on this corner. Pop it out, and then once you got your light out, grab here and you twist about a quarter turn, and your light should come out. You set that down anywhere you like. Pull your light bulb out. Put your new bulb in. And that's it. These LED lights, you can only install them one way. So if it doesn't work the first time, just take it out, turn it around, put it back in. So what I'm going to do is hit my lock button, and my light lit up, so it should work. So now we're going to grab our housing, put it back in there, make our cord turn until it's seated nice and properly. And then you're going to put this corner in first and pivot. Just the reverse of what you did to take it out. There we go. Don't forget your bolt. Tighten that down just a little bit, and then we put our trim back. That's literally all it takes. Do that on both sides. There we go. That's Auxito's LED switchback lighting. We got a little bit of a hyper flash going on, but I'll make another video to show y'all exactly how to take care of that.
This is Tools and Cars with Chris.
Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and be on the lookout for any future videos.